Hello students. So in the last class we discussed about the sun, planets, their composition and their size. So today we will discuss this Earth's moon and stars and constellation. So Earth's moon. So you have seen the moon, right? We see moon in the sky at night. Now what is moon? Moon क्या होता है? Moon is natural satellite. Okay, moon is a natural satellite. Now what is a satellite? Satellite is the heavenly body that move around the planet. Okay, जो planet के चारों ओर चक्कर लगाता है. Okay, that move around the planet. It's a heavenly body that move around the planet. Now we'll start. Some planets have one or many smaller companions called satellites. Now some planets have one or many smaller companions. Companions means you can say friends. ना? So moon is Earth's companion. Moon जो है वो अर्थ का फ्रेंड है. And these natural satellites and these moon, okay, move around the planet, just like planet moon around the sun. Just like the planets move around the sun, the natural satellites also move around the planets. Okay. Now, our planet has only one satellite called the moon. Now, our planet means our Earth. Earth has only one satellite called the moon. Okay. Moon is a heavenly body that orbits around the Earth in 28 days. So, what we have understood, the moon takes 28 days to move around the earth. मून कितना दिन लेता है अर्थ के इर्द गिर्द घूमने में? 28 days. Okay. Moon take 28 days to move around the earth. The moon, which is the fifth largest satellite, and moon is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. In our solar system, which is the fifth largest satellite? The answer will be the moon. Okay, and also its spin on its axis. It can be seen clearly only at night. The moon can be seen clearly only at night. It doesn't have any light of its own. The moon doesn't have any light of its own that we know. It is visible because of the light of the sun falling on it. Okay. Without sun falling on the moon, we can't see moon. Okay. So, if the sunlight will not fall on the moon, we can't able to see moon. Okay. Just for example, at the time of a new moon, okay, that night we cannot see moon because the light of the sun on that day not falling on the moon. Okay, so here is a picture. See, the sun, this is the sun. Okay, and light of the sun falling on the moon, and the light of the sun, see the light of the sun falling on the moon, light of the sun falling on the earth also. That's why from the earth we can see the moon at night clearly. Okay, because the moon don't have its own light. It's only visible because of the light of the sun falling on it. Now, the Earth is not the only planet with a satellite. The Earth is not the only planet with a satellite. Jupiter has the most number of satellites. And which planet has the most number of satellites? Jupiter. Okay. Stars and constellation. Stars are made up of gases and produce heat, light, ultraviolet rays. Stars are made up of gases that we know, that we had discussed, and it produced heat, light and ultraviolet rays. And ultraviolet rays are those rays which are harmful for us, which are harmful for our skin. There are billions of stars in the universe, as we had discussed earlier also, that there are billions of stars in our universe, and our sun is one of them. The brightness of a star depends on how much energy it emits, and the brightness of a star, it depends on how much energy the star emits. Emits means to give out, okay, to send out something such as heat, light, okay, to give out. Emits means give out. The bright star we see in the sky is the pole star, okay, the bright star. The bright star we see in the sky from the earth is the pole star. Star appears to have different colors because of their temperatures, okay, how much energy they emits, okay. Hotter stars are white. The star which is hot, they are white in color or blue in color, whereas cooler stars which is cool, they are in orange or red color. Now we will discuss the next paragraph. Constellation. Now, what is constellation? Right. So, constellation are a collection of bright stars which form pattern in the sky. Okay. Constellation are a collection of bright stars that are visible in the night sky and form recognizable patterns. So, constellation is a group of bright star. Collections is a means group of bright star that we can see in the night sky, and they arrange in this way, okay. The constellations are arranged in this way that we can see a pattern or design, okay, For example, Ursa Major appear as a group of stars in the shape of Great Bear. Another important constellation is Saptarishi. See, here is a picture, Ursa Major constellation, okay. Ursa Major appears as a group of stars in the shape of Great Bear. Now, in this shape, okay, we can see the dots. These dots are nothing, actually they are stars, okay. So, if we join these dots, okay, we got the shape of bear, okay, and that's why they given a name that is Ursa Major, okay. And this way, when we join this dot, this shape will be like a bear. In this way, this constellation has given a name of Great Bear. Now, another constellation is also there.